Alright, hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome too. So the first thing we're going to do for this look is just apply Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black and cut the crease like so using the shadow shield. And then you just want to go ahead and take your time and fill things in. What I like to do when I'm doing air shadow is just really work on the outline first and then go in with the filling after. So that's exactly what you're seeing now. Working on the outer corner, outer V, making sure everything's nice and smooth, nice and sharp. And then I'm going to go ahead and just tug the skin on my lid just slightly so that I can go ahead and get a nice even fill. Okay, once I have that fill all laid down, I'm going to go in with Dinair Glamour shade Medium Brown and just apply that to the transition crease area. Don't worry about being too clean with applying shades to the transition. This is why we laid the darkest shade down first. You can definitely go back in and clean up, as you will see later in the video. I did go ahead and do that. But right now, I'm just going to go ahead and continue on. And here, I'm going to take Dinair Glamour shade Fawn Brown and just apply that closer to the cut line of the jet black. It's a good way to add dimension to this cut crease. Then I'm also going to go ahead and apply it to the outer corner of the outer V on the lower end and then the lower lash line as well. Okay, next I'm going to go in again with Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black and just kind of clean things up a little bit toward the edge of the cut crease like so. Okay, and once I'm done cleaning up, I'm just going to take Dinair Opalescent shade 24 Carat and just apply that to the tear duct and blend up so everything's nice and seamless. And then I'm also going to take it down to the inner corner of the lower lash line for that pop. Next, I'm going to go in with the complexion. So here I'm taking Dinair Neutralize and Camouflage shades Honey Beige and Olive Beige mixed together. And I'm just going to go ahead and conceal the under eye area like so. And then I'm going to conceal the rest of the blemishes on my skin, the area around my brows, because I want everything to be nice and seamless. Next, I'm going in with contour. So here I'm using Dinair Glamour shade Sepia, which is really good for adding that shadow to the contours of your face. So I'm just going to go ahead and contour the normal areas, cheekbones, temples, forehead, and then carve out my nose like so. Next, I'm going to go in with blush. So here I'm using Dinair Glamour shade Bronze Rose. It's a nice, beautiful, deep hue, and it's going to be perfect for this look. So I'm just applying it to my cheekbones like so. Then I'm going to go in with foundation. So here I'm using Dinair Soft Glow Line, a mixture of shades Honey Beige and Nutmeg. And I'm just going to go ahead and make sure to apply it so everything is beautiful and seamless. Then I'm going to go in with highlighter. So here I use a mixture of Dinair Opalescent shades Pyrite and Date Night. Those two shades mixed together really made the perfect hue as far as highlights go. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop it on the high points of the face, brow bone, down the bridge of the nose. I'll also apply some to the Cupid's bow as well. Alright, and for brows, I'm just taking Dinair Colair Brow shade Dark Smoke and filling them in like so. Then I'm going to go in with lips using Dinair Liquid Lipstick shade Sunset. It's a beautiful fiery red and it's perfect for this look. Alright, so now that we have the complexion and face and beauty stuff done, let's get into the stencil. So here I'm taking Badass Stencil BAD6006 Flames, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply the first shade, which is Dinair Matte Shade Sangria. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the tips and pretty much the basis of the flames stencil like so. Using stencils is definitely easier done on somebody else as opposed to yourself, but you know what? A little patience, you can get it done. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to fill in the stencil like so, moving it around so that I can get a nice fiery fill across the face. And voila, we have flames. So next I'm taking Dinair Opalescent shade Aloha and just filling in some details for the flames, adding some dimension. As you know, flames are different colors going through the whole flame. So I want to add that beautiful orange hue just underneath the red and kind of tie everything together. So here I'm just carefully filling and then shading. And then I'm going to go in with Dinair Opalescent shade Persimmon and just add even more dimension. It's a little bit deeper of an orange hue. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that over and fill in the sparse areas. Okay, then I'm going to take Dinair Opalescent shade 24 Carat and blend that underneath the orange and all the way down to the neck and chest. There we go. Then I'm going to go in with Dinair Opalescent shade Persimmon once again and apply it over the 24 Carat to add some more dimension. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and define and sharpen the lines of the flames using Dinair Matte shade Sangria. And I'm just going to go around the edges and do some nice detail work. And there you have it. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some flames to the edge of my eye look. So taking Dinair Glamour shade Sangria. And then I'm going to go in with Opalescent shade Aloha. And then I'm going to finish off with Dinair shade 24 Carat. That's the Opalescent shade. And boom, some flames to the outer eye. There you go, a little close up so you can see it better. Then I'm going to go ahead and finish off the eye look by taking Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black and apply it to the outer corner of the lower lash line and blend down toward the middle of the lower lash line, not down, you know. And then I'm going to pop some glitter on it because I felt like I just need a little bit more sparkle, you know, up top. So I'm just taking Wet n Wild Color Icon Glitter Shade Brass and just kind of dabbing it on like so. And then I'll go ahead and touch up the tear duct as well, just for some more dimension. Okay, and then taking mascara and House of Lashes, we're just going to pop those on, get my lashes popping. And then I'm going to go ahead and make sure everything's all concealed and seamless, taking Dinair Glamour Jet Black and running it along the lashes. The lash band? The lash line? You see what I'm doing. You want to make sure everything looks nice and clean. You always got to pay attention to detail. And this is the finished look. Fiery, smoky, scorched. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video how-to and the look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to thumbs up this video and I hope to see you all in my next one.